Hi, today we'll be seeing demonstration of the project AttendAI Automate Attendance. So first let me explain how this project works. If you are a teacher and you are taking manual attendance, you are just roll calling the roll numbers or the scholar numbers and all the students are either saying yes ma'am or ma'am he is absent, etc etc etc. Okay, so I just want to automate that process. And what is my idea? You enter the class. What you have to do is you just take a photo of the class and you upload that photo in this program or this software. And what will it do? It will recognize each and every student. Okay, it will recognize each and every student from that photo and he will mark present in the data set. In the dataset means in the CSV file where you keep attendance. This app is personalized for each a personal teacher. It is not centralized. Okay, so no one can access from. Uh, it means any other person cannot access this. If you are using, you can only access, and any changes you want to make, it is up to you. Okay. So here I have used face recognition library for recognizing the faces. I've used Kiwi to make a UI for it. Pandas are for uh, manipulating data in the CSV file. Okay, and here are some date and time module and OS modules. So like I said, uh, when you click a photo and then the software will recognize each and every student. So for recognizing, first it should know who the particular student is. First, what we'll do is we'll enroll the students. For example, I enroll roll number one. Roll number one, let's say is John. And when I'm enrolling John, so I'll also provide a photo of John to the software. Okay. When I'll provide his photo, so the software will first recognize, okay, this is John. I have recognized him. Okay, well and good. Now, if I provide a class photo, and if it again recognizes John in it, there might be 15, 20 people photo. Now, there might be 15 and 20 people in that photo. Okay, but it will recognize John from it. So this is what it library does. So just let us start. Let me just tell you uh, the students I will be enrolling and the group photo. Okay, so this is Shavik, this is Rishit, this is Raghav. Okay, and then it is a multi dot jpg. Here are other people also, but here is Shavik and Raghav. But as you can see, Rishit is not here. Okay, Rishit is not here. So what it should do is it should mark Raghav and Shavik as present and Rishit as absent. So let's just start. First of all, uh, I'll run this code. So let us mark attendance. Okay, we cannot mark this attendance because we have to enroll the students first. Okay, so let us start enrolling the students. Let's start with Rishit. Okay, Rishit, roll number one, branch is CSC. Let's say, and email ID, leave it to null. Okay, let's submit him. Now he is asking to upload his image in which he is there and only he is there. So let me upload his image, Rishit.jpg. Okay, I selected and I am uploading. So now it will just recognize him and it will keep his data. Oh, student Rishit enrolled successfully. So now he has been enrolled and the software has recognized his face. Now let's enroll another student. Raghav, scholar number, let's say 2, branch is CSC again. Fifth semester, email ID null. Okay. Now let's upload my image. Um, Raghav. Yes, I'm also enrolled. Now let's enroll the last student, Shavik. Shavik, scholar number is 3, branch is CSC again, semester is 5th, and email ID is null. Let's upload his photo. Uh, and yes, he's also enrolled. So now we can see we have these three CSV files. It was not there in the beginning. If you check, if you go back and check the video, it was not there in the beginning. These three were not there. So let us see what is this students.csv. Okay, so this is Rishit, roll number 1. It is his branch semester, and these values are null. Okay, then Raghav, scholar number 2, CSE 5. Shavik, roll number 3, CSC, semester 5, and null. Okay, subjects, okay, it is empty. Faces, oh, see, here corresponding to the scholar number, you have the face encodings. You see, here are the face encodings. So there are total 128 landmarks, okay, of the faces. So this is landmarks of Rishit. These are landmarks for Raghav. These are landmarks for Shavik. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now let us just try to mark the attendance. So it's okay, it's open here. And now if we mark attendance, yeah, see, now it is not telling me to enroll students. Now I have to enter subject details. Let us say I'm teaching DSA, branches. I want to teach it to computer science, and semester is 5th. Okay, now I submit. Subject DSA added to and attendance file is created. Okay, so see here attendance file is created. If I open it, so here it is only said scholar number 1 to 3. 1 to 3 because I have only enrolled scholar numbers 1 to 3 in CSC in 5th semester. That's why it is showing 1 to 3. Now let us just mark attendance. Now I have to select existing subject because I have already added DSA. Now let us see it's here, DSA CSE 5. Let me select it. Proceed, enter number of class photos. Here it is asking for number of photos because if the class is big enough and all the students cannot accommodate in one photo. Okay, they cannot, uh, even if they accommodate, the last person is so small that you cannot even differentiate who is he. You cannot recognize who is he. So how the computer will recognize it? So for that you can also uh, input more photos here. If you want to enter two photos of the class, one for the front section, another for the backward section of the class, then you can do. But here I have only one photo, which was this multif.jpg, so I'll enter it. So when I submit it, it asks me to upload that photo, and let me upload it. Multif1. Okay, this is multif1, and let me upload it. And see here, just keep an eye here. Okay, see, attendance marked successfully. And like I said, the attendance has been marked. Today date is 17/12/2024, 17/12/2024, and Rishit is absent, Raghav is present, and Shavik is again present. Uh, so this was Rishit, but he is not in the photo. Okay, Raghav was in the photo, and Shavik was again in the photo. So these people have been uh, marked. These people have been marked present, and he has been marked absent in the photo. Now, uh, what about these people? So nothing about these people. These have not been enrolled. So what the software does is it just takes out their face encodings and compares it with the known one. So if known If it is known, then it marks the attendance. Otherwise, it just ignores it. It will just ignore it. Okay. So here's how it works. There are more features in this, like you cannot duplicate a subject, you cannot duplicate a scholar number. If you are like entering a, a student and you are not entering his scholar number or his name, it will just throw an error. So these small checks are already there, but I am not showing because this video or the demonstration will go, you know, too lengthy. But here's how it works, and this was the basic idea. It takes time because of uh, my hardware. Okay, so my hardware is not very good and it needs a GPU. Face recognition library, it needs a GPU because it is a deep learning based library. So it uses a GPU to perform better. But my hardware is not that compatible enough. So it takes much time, but it does the work. Okay. So thank you.